gentlemen, today we are having a very special function. It's about my sister's daughter, Vijaya Prasad. She's getting engaged to Mr. Youth Langar. And you can just see around the camera and you can see that how beautiful it is. Dignitaries or there. And then I just want to show you one of the important and very aromatic This is known as Samavar. This Samavar is having a central chimney. Here you put the fire, the wooden fire or the coal here, and then of course not toxic. It has to be of a special grade, special quality. And at the same time, on the outer side you have this water, you have the KEHWA leaves, special leaves of tea, and then you have the aromatic herbs. So to give it a very special feeling and a very special fragrance. This Samovar, for that matter, it has come from Central Asia to Kashmir. And then when you close it just like this, then you have the tea. This is the nozzle. From this nozzle, like this tea will come here. It will flow down from here. And then if you just want to close it, you don't want to use it, then you can just close it here, and then you don't want to put it here, and then it's like this. So this is Samovar, and this is a special tea preparatory pot, special device, special instrument, special equipment for Kashmiri Pandits in Kashmir. They love it, and you can. The best part about this Samovar is that it can anytime you can just have it. It will help you reducing the weight. It will not be toxic. It's not like you are putting up that you are being diabetic. So it is basically the hot water with special leaves of KEHWA, with special tea leaves. So I wind up here, and you just see that my thank you very much, sir. God bless you. God bless you. So these all people are having KEHWA, and they're enjoying the good feeling, and they are enjoying this aromatic experience, and which is of course not like coffee, not like this what do you call that, tea or any other thing which puts on a lot of weight, which puts on a lot of calories, and which gives you a lot of toxicity also. So this KEHWA, if you just keep on sipping during daytime, all day long, you just see that Babi and Baman Khair is also having KEHWA, and then the Neha is also there. She's also having KEHWA. She's also going to have the KEHWA shortly, and she's sitting with her husband, and then the mother-in-law, and of course all other people are there. And then this is Bunty also with the mother. Toy no more coffee and no toy. Coffee. Coffee kache mola. Yeah, tea. Okay. So here I wind up. So God bless you, great of you. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.